Apple, the most favorable fruit in the state, is successfully produced in Kakching. The apple produced in Kakching is allegedly 100% organic. According to Dr. Yankom Vagyachandra Singh, proprietor of organic apple firm Kakching, he planted many saplings of apple tree at Kakching Mamangching Laifang, Loknung, about 1 kilometer distance from Kakching Lamkai towards east. They are purely organic. If the government gives attention and provides financial assistance, the firm can produce many tons of organic apple. He further expressed that the soil of Kakching is quite suitable for apple. He was a government employee. While he was posting at Simla, he bought many apples and ate them. Many people also bought the apple of Simla. Simla's apple is famous in India. He thought that he shall try to grow the apple of Simla in the soil of Manipur. After retirement from government service, he, as an experiment, planted some nursery of apple at Kakching Mamangching in the month of November 2020. As an experiment, he bought about 300 nursery of apple tree from Simla and planted 120 nursery at the area, but only 85 nurseries survived. Then many apple nursery were planted at the area. He had collected 600 kg to 700 kg of apples so far from the firm he added. Meanwhile, Rakesh Naurim, social and culture activist, has today bought 10 kg of apple from the firm.
Organic farming farmer matik chaba subsidy pibiraga haidi compensation pibiraganda amaji farm jingje masi growth lehenba taragadi Manipur gi economy da su yamna mateng pangane na khali aduga loinana akhoi unemployment youth singja masida ju thabak yam chaungna piba adugumba oigene na khali ana sumba apple farm se sida lakpiraga masi yamna test tobiyo du maman ju yam honge
Kuji aigi lairiba kano se CMC ne kijal pasani khari yoli adu aina aigi nuai ba ma di ai market da chatuna yolobagi rungcha ba se leitre maramdi jolunna bagi tanja du phangre maramdi aigi apple farm se laaga mayamna lobiraba abjimda gi lawraba adu ngatu oibnina kuji phawagi onadi CMC yonbagi awa ba muteng tenadi masi aigi wakhandadi lamsi khar lairabadi akoi soidana mak hogoleba naron thap phangda na singna plan torga toboda CMC soidana mak mai pan thaba yagani absi ai
Di handakti cahi ani ahum harak pasir am phajana palak padagidi admain tawda mai pak pa haido oide akhoi yamna waba mai waraganda CMC palak padaidi aina mamangda wagiba mayam do adu ko ya aro hojikti CMC charaga yamna ju phai mayam chabiu organic ki semni yamna kano tawbani awaba do ko ya
Nam Hava Poti to me, who do Sintaxu Tari, kind of Potima Pum Havadu, Bundu. Sari Potidiam to me. Mayam too, CMG Pams the Lak Piraga, CMG, on Tandy taste of view, Mayam too young.
CMJ, I see am Lang Laga Sab never. How's the horror me, the gay Sinbasu idea. Kitang Budi Sintak Toragazu, Adam to me, Sabi. Aduga sigi sab sina khoi da kana basi bazada yon badi hida lang thak thak pa hida kapsin ba degi masu phajana ba taisin ba mayam tawe adu busidi pambi dagi direct hega sare chemja kana ba mayam du chu isa da direct phange aduga hida lang thak thak pa mahing matai cheng da wa laina cheng da adu su oidre yam phaba sem organic oiba sem mayam la aga si leibiu sabiu ai ju he pujarani yumda phajana chaurani
Yankom Bagasandra, quite Wazana, Sahi Amani Mamang Degi, I Mamanging Konda, Sim Thai, I'm thinking allow some hyper. I know the Kale as Simla, the whole Pochi, quite high, the Lebak Lehoki Sanam with us from Kalevado. I'm not hazard among the Hanaxi, Magi, so send me the photo woman, it upload tropa. I think a sissy, I hazard than I sassy, Tag Lakandi, Prang Pupang, the gas that were films, Simla, the Hena. Fazaba mafam oirame adui mathakta akoi gi sabada simla asoma palam degi thorai ba sem sina akoi siga kitang khena ba khalai maramdi kana ba akoi sina kitang hen ga da man ba ma